Have you ever wondered how billions of euros are made so perfectly and why people across Europe trust them every single day? Inside Europe's high-security money factories, giant machines, hidden technologies, and microscopic security features work together to create one of the world's most trusted currencies. But what really keeps the euro impossible to fake? The euro was officially introduced on January 1st, 1999 for electronic transactions, but euro notes and coins entered public circulation on January 1st, 2002. Today, the euro is used by 20 European countries and trusted by more than 340 million people every day. Each euro banknote has a different size. As the value increases, the banknote becomes slightly larger. 5 euro note measures 120 by 62 millimeters. 10 euro note measures 127 by 67 millimeters. 20 euro note measures 133 by 72 millimeters. 50 euro note measures 140 by 77 millimeters. 100 euro note measures 147 by 82 millimeters. 150 euro note measures 153 by 82 millimeters. 200 euro note measures 153 by 82 millimeters. The different sizes help people quickly identify denominations by touch and improve accessibility for visually impaired users. The 500 euro note was one of the world's highest value banknotes in daily circulation, but most countries stopped issuing it in 2019 due to security concerns. The bridges and windows shown on euro notes are not real buildings. They were specially designed to represent different periods of European architecture and unity. One side of euro coins is common across Europe, while the other side is customized by each individual country.